I'm changing the indicator stalk and headlight switch on the Ford Kuga. I'll start by undoing 2 torque screws underneath the steering column. Now turn the steering wheel to 45 degrees, and you've got these little tabs here which you need to press at the same time as lifting the upper part of the cowl. You should have to do that on both sides, but I think that this one's come loose on both sides straight away. So yeah. Top part, you can just flip out the way. Bottom part, drop down a little bit. We don't need to remove it fully because we're only accessing this switch. Now we've got 2 T8 torque screws, one at the top and one underneath. Now we've got 2 plastic tabs holding the switch in position. And it appears that we don't even have to remove the connector, it's just slots in when removing and refitting. So this particular one we're replacing because the high beam main beam flash has stopped working. So I'll refit the screws. I'll just check that it's working as it should. So let's fix the issue, the reason for replacement. Everything else is just reversal removal, so refit the T8 torque screws, bolt the bottom back in and clip the top back in, and that's everything.